Alright, now we're going to take a look at the coconut module. The way this one works is a bit different. To be honest, I've had a little trouble explaining this topic in the past, but now I'm going to show you very clearly. I especially struggled with one-on-one explanations. Now let's say you have multiple different visuals. For instance, you have 3 visuals for a single project, right? You want to render them, but you need them all to have the same lighting effect. Look, here are 3 visuals. They're all different angles of the same project. This is exactly when you need to use Coconut. It will render all 3 with the same style and the same lighting. Now here's the important part. As you can see, the landscape elements aren't very well defined here. For example, in this one, the landscape looks like this, and in the other it's different, but there are empty spaces. So how is it going to fill in those empty spaces and backgrounds? Well, it's going to do it on its own. So if you provide some sort of map for what should be in the background and foreground, you'll get more accurate results. But for now, we're going to see just how consistent it keeps the lighting and color ambience across all of them. I'm feeding it the 3 visuals, and it's going to try to generate them all with the same lighting and quality. Let's see what happens. Alright, as you can see, it's generated 3 renders. And if you look at the lighting, all 3 are the same. They've all been rendered with identical lighting, but of course, what did it do here? It went a bit wild. It added this thing here, which isn't in our original project at all. This is what I was talking about. If you map out the landscape a bit, you'll get a better result. Here, for example, it also colored the trees, which actually looks quite nice. So if you want to maintain this kind of consistency, this is one way to do it. Honestly, the reason you might choose this method is if you're in a real hurry. You have a project and you just need to get some quick visuals to show someone, maybe for a short presentation or a quick demonstration. Otherwise, these kinds of random variations, as you can see, obviously won't work for you. The other options I just explained, such as starfruit or banana, will provide you with more controlled and predictable renders. Now let's download this one. Let's say these are good, we like them, but this visual, for instance, has a problem. It placed this thing here and I don't want it. Or maybe there are other changes I want to make. For that, we have a section called 2K Edit Canvas. I'm just going to drag and drop the image I just downloaded into the 2K Edit Canvas. See? It selected it and is showing it directly. Now, 2K Edit Canvas is the second mode within Coconut. Sorry, I should say mode. I just showed you multi-render. Now I'm going to show you the editing. Now look, in this area, let's say, what should we add here? Let's place a dog playing with a child. Alright. I'll click Add Text. And let's place it right here. Like this. You can make this text smaller if you want. Just don't make it too small. It needs to be somewhat readable, so try not to shrink it too much. Something like this. The visual will be examined after all. Yes. Then let's say for this area, this part here, okay, everyone, let's say we want to remove this. Okay, remove this from here, remove this from here. We clicked add, then we brought it over and placed it here. Like this, let's make it a bit bigger. Let's even increase the width like this, so it's clearer. Then let's write a general prompt. Night view. Let's say change to a night atmosphere. Okay? So we've written these notes, and along with the notes, we've written a general text. This is how we can edit our visual, everyone. That's really what this is all about. Let's see what kind of result it produces. Yes, as you can see, look, there's a dog playing with a child here. Then the part over here was removed. The sky was also changed to a night scene, and it created a really beautiful visual. It's a high quality image. Let's go ahead and download this, everyone. So we can also do editing this way. And that's exactly how our Coconut module works.